Yo, what's going on? So I wanted to share something with you guys really quick about the TP-7 from Teenage Engineering. So I have 4 albums that came out. Let's see if I can name them in order from the first one to the most recent. Kayla Joy album. Thank You, You're Welcome. Stop Being Funny. It's Not Bedtime. I did it. All right, so I wanted to put the songs on here and kind of like be able to listen to them without having to go to streaming services, listen offline, etc. What else? Do the looping stuff, pitch shifting, and I just thought it would be cool to do, right? So I went ahead and added the albums, and if you not press and hold, but if you just press this button here, it goes to like this, air icon to like the recording icon. One is like the library and one of them is like recordings. So your library is like where you have, I always get confused between, I guess it's the air, the listening one. Long story short, I was putting the albums in here and I was putting them in like the order from the track list. Sometimes without numbers before, sometimes with numbers. And what's happening is the orders were getting messed up, right? So like it was putting them, I think, in alphabetical order in here, and there was no way to like change the order. It was somewhat frustrating. So what I did, I hit up Tobias from TE, and he had just a really, important and appropriate and just super helpful suggestion that I think maybe like a bigger picture file management 101 perhaps. But what was happening is like any album that I had that had more than 9 tracks in it, it would like if I numbered them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, 1, 0, 10 would be higher on the list. It wouldn't be number 10, right? It would be like I think 1 and then 1, 0 for 10 and then 2, etc. So just mess up the order. He recommended, drum roll please, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 10. Doing that little small difference in the file names allows you to be able to do what you got to do. I'm not feeling the greatest today, in case you can't tell. Let's turn some volume up here. So it's cool being able to listen to my music on here and do like, and I'll maybe do like a full video for y'all soon, but the record feature or the loop feature, not perfect, but you can adjust it and stuff. But I'm gonna do some more content, but it's just great having all my music on here. So someone's like, yo, you make some music? Yeah, I make music. Like you can go on Spotify and listen to it or something, or YouTube music like I have, or we can just like put this in and just listen to it on here. Okay, that's the end of today's video. I don't know if this is going to help any of y'all out there, but maybe it might. And if it helps one person, then cool, because I was dealing with figuring that out and we figured it out and now we're in good shape. Have a good one. Talk to you guys later. Peace.